Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the details about sets, relation and function and introduction. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Introduction about set, relation and function. One of the topic available in the mathematics. First we'll see the set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Is a collection of well-defined. The term well-defined is very important. Well-defined means it will give the clear-cut idea. The collection of well-defined object is nothing but a set. As the theory of set is building blocks of modern mathematics, one has learned the concept of sets carefully and deeply. Right? So the sets is the one of the modern mathematics. It is the one type of the modern mathematics. We can able to learn the sets carefully and deeply. Now we'll look at the term well defined. That is a very important. Well defined. Set is the well defined objects. A little more deeply. We'll see what is meant by well defined. Consider the two statements. Let us consider the two statements. First one is that the collection of all beautiful flowers in Ooty Rose Garden. Second one is the collection of all old men in Tamil Nadu. Right? The collection of all beautiful flowers in Ooty Rose Garden. This beautiful flower is not well defined. Which one is beautiful flower? We don't know. Similarly, old man. Old man means who are the old man? Whether age greater than 50 or 60 or 70 or 80 is not defined. So these two terms are not well defined. The term beautiful flower and old man are not well defined. It's not give the clear cut idea. Beautiful flower may be differ by differ, right? So these two terms are not well defined. We'll see that what we will analyze more. So we cannot define the term beautiful flower in a sharp way, as there is no concrete definition for beauty, because the concept of beauty vary from person to person, content to content and object to object. Right? So the beautiful flower term beautiful flower is not clearly defined. It may vary from person to person, content to content and object to object. It is not defined. Similarly, we should not consider the statement like the collection of all beautiful flowers in Ooty Rose Garden as a set. Now we can say the collection of all red flowers in Ooty Rose Garden is a set. The answer is yes, because all beautiful flower not well defined, but same time the collection of all red flowers, it's clearly defined. Red flowers mean the flower having the color red, that is clearly defined. So this one can be a set. The collection of all red flower in a Ooty garden mean we can easily say that the flower having the red is nothing but is a red color flowers. Right? Clearly we can define that, so that it is act as a set. But this beautiful flower is not act as a set. Now we'll go for the further analysis. So one may consider a person of age 60 as old and others may not agree. So we can say that old man means those who are having the age above 60. But this condition is not agreed by the all. Someone will say it is above 70, above 80 like that. So there is no specific and constraint definition for old man. Right? We cannot define. So the second statement can be made more sharply as the collection of all men in Tamil Nadu of age greater than 70. So this statement gives the clear-cut idea. The previous one not give the clear-cut idea. Old man means not defined, sharply not defined. Whereas not well-defined object. We don't know who is the old man. What is the age for that? It's not well-defined. But here, the collection of all men in Tamil Nadu of age greater than 70 is clearly given. Those who are having greater than 70 age, that collection of men in Tamil Nadu. So we can easily say that those who are having greater than age 70 in Tamil Nadu men, that is a set, is well defined set. This clear cut idea, it gives the clear cut idea, right? We can easily collect this data. Those who are all having greater than 90° as a men in Tamil Nadu, we can collect the data easily, right? Now the above collection now the above collection become a set because of definiteness of the age. The age is clearly given. The age is the clearly given, so that it is we can say this is the set, right? So from these two statements, Ooty rose garden, beautiful flower, and old man in Tamil Nadu is not giving the clear cut idea, so not defined well. So we can say that red flower in Ooty garden give the clear cut idea. The age greater than 90 in Tamil Nadu man will give the clear cut idea. Thus, the description of set should be enable us to constantly decide whether the given particular object is available in the collection or not, right? So the set will give the clear cut idea about the object, right? From the statement we come to know the definition clearly, then only it is act as a set. So set is a distinguishable collection of objects. It will not give the general idea, it will give the clear cut idea. Red flowers in Ooty garden is a clearly defined. What are the flowers having red color in the Ooty garden is clearly defined. Similarly, the age greater than 90, the men available in Tamil Nadu greater than 70. The age greater than 70 means clearly defined. Those who are all having greater than 70 age, that collection can be easily done, right? So it is a distinguishable collection of object. It will give the clear cut idea, clear cut definition, then only it is act as a set. So in this video we discuss about the introduction about set, relation and function. We will see what is mean by set, how it is defined, whether it will give the general idea or is clearly defined. If you have the general idea, that is not considered as a set. It will not give the clear cut idea, right? If we give the clearly defined, for example, red flowers in Ooty garden is clearly defined. Similarly, the men in Tamil Nadu, age greater than 70 is clearly defined. Old man in Tamil Nadu is not clearly defined. Old man, we don't know who are all the old man. Their age is not clearly mentioned. Beautiful flower is not clearly mentioned. Red flower means clearly mentioned, right? So the set is will give the distinguishable collection of object. It will give the clear cut definition. Then it is called as a set, right? Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.